In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build an automatic Trello onboarding system. We're going to create a clean, repeatable onboarding board using a ready-made template so every new hire follows the same clear path, and you don't have to rebuild it from scratch each time. Start on your Trello boards page. At the top, select Create. Instead of starting with a blank board, choose Start with a Template. Templates are a huge time saver because they come pre-structured with lists, example cards, and best practice guidance. When the template panel opens, click Explore Templates to open the full gallery. Here you can browse by category or use the search bar. Browsing is great if you want to see what's popular across different teams, while search is faster if you know exactly what you need. Type a relevant term like onboarding, or simply scan the team management section. When you see the new hire onboarding template, open it. This template is designed to walk a new teammate through their first days and weeks, typically including lists such as to do this week, meet the team, tools and access, and policies and benefits, along with example cards you can adapt. Take a moment to review the description and preview so you know what you're getting. Click Use Template. You'll be prompted to name your new board. Give it a clear, standardized title so everyone recognizes it right away. For example, include your company or department and onboarding, and optionally the year or location for easy filtering later. Consistent naming helps when you create multiple boards over time. Next, choose the workspace where this board should live. Pick the workspace your people, team, or managers already use so access and visibility are straightforward. This ensures the right teammates can find and collaborate on the board without extra setup. If you work across multiple workspaces, select the one that aligns with your onboarding process and privacy needs. When the title and workspace look good, click Create. Trello will generate your board from the template, complete with lists and sample cards to guide your process. You now have a repeatable onboarding system you can launch for each new hire in minutes. From here, you can review the lists and example cards and decide what fits your organization best, but the heavy lifting is already done. That's it. You've set up an automatic Trello onboarding system using a proven template, giving your team a consistent, scalable way to welcome new hires and keep everything organized from day one.